We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Lab Squad! Welcome back to another video. I'm Shade.
I'm Rutan.
I'm Chantel.
I'm Colette. And I'm Rochelle.
So we're having a Lab Squad mukbang. It's our first ever mukbang. So we'll be having a feast while telling you guys about our profession, because there's one thing we all have in common around this table. And what is that, guys? We are medical technologists. So while we are having dinner, we are going to be telling you guys about our profession, how we found it, or in some cases how it found us, you know. It's emotional in here. We have a napkin in case you want to cry. But let us begin, because you know some girl to the left.
Okay, period, right?
So what we have on the table, guys? We have some fried
leg.
You know them girl, you going at each other. You're the youngest? A joke. You're the youngest. So guys, we have some fried chicken, some rice and peas, some pineapple cream filled cake, pasta, some garlic salad, and rotisserie chicken.
With the juice.
Oh, these are nice. Can I try them? Hey, I'm not say. I'm not trying to like some country people though. I'm not.
Rochelle, we're not even pray yet. Guys, we just share the food right now before we get into the meat, literally, of the matter. Alright, I need football. We had the chicken with Inspiyah. Come through, give my just in there. She know Chantal, make you happy at this,
Them not to me.
of course. Oh, you know, the fall copies of bad
You want to talk about the friend, yeah?
You just Rochelle use her left hand and me take the left hand spoon.
So fix it on it, hold it so.
Put it down. You know what? Because everybody just look for food, so we will start to.
So, Captain, you want to? They've never seen us stab you, alright?
I'm not such a belly lamb.
No matter we have our next rice, you know?
Yeah, but that 3 or 4 people not get in.
Everybody just like, but we never know. We can put almost done. Say nada. Never have dinner with us.
Alright guys, so all of us are medtech. We'll be basically answering questions about medical technologies and basically to see if this profession is suitable for everyone. Alright, Ruthie, how did you find out about the profession of a medical technologist?
A nurse friend of mine introduced me to the whole medical technology thing, and I got interested and
So-
applied.
So is it that you went to her and asked her, like you were seeking what's going to be a career path and you were
At
wondering?
first, I wanted to become a dentist, but
That's why she know about the teeth themselves.
or
Dentist.
a medical doctor, but that is kind of too expensive to
At the
do.
time.
So she told me about it, so I just jump on.
So you knew that you wanted to be in the medical profession though, in medical field. Alright. Chantel, how did you find out about medical technology?
So my school we have this trip. You know the trip that my youth set up where
Like they visit your school and have a career day.
and that me go plan.
You go on a career day.
Yes,
Correct.
over the career day. And but didn't want to do something in the medical field. First I wanted to do pharmacology. But
What is that?
if you want something, them you like medicine and
I just want you to tell.
you never know, so you just have to tell you. Like make the drugs and all sorts of things, but I found
So you wanted to be in the drug world?
yes,
Okay.
but I found medtech a bit more interesting than And then I know that medtech it can carry you places.
Mm-hmm.
I say, alright, I'm gonna just start with this as the basis and then see where life takes me.
Drugs can carry go places too, but probably not the place where you want to go. Fort Augustus. Oh, God. So basically, they had a booth set up for medical technologies. Colette, how did you find out about us?
Okay, so for me, back in high school, we normally have our annual careers day, and they had this careers day, and they had some medical technologists from Cornwall Regional. They came to my school, and they had a booth, and they tell us about the profession. But initially, I still wasn't sure if I wanted to become a medical technologist because I wanted to become a vet or a pediatrician, but it was later after sixth form then that never really take off, so I entered the medical technology field and here I am.
Alright.
You think it's not go longer, you know? Because I missed that feed.
And that's a big hand.
You know, collect when she start talking.
Rochelle, you know the question, how did you heard about us?
Somebody here. First, I wanted to become a medical doctor. It was too expensive, and plus I had to do pre-university because I never do sixth form, and I never want to do sixth form. So I said, alright, so I said I can do. I went to NCU, was applying to be a nurse, and it was full. So I couldn't do the nursing course. However, I never did want in the same Catherine or Kingston, so I said, alright, must find something else to do. I'm on the go. So a friend of mine introduced me to medical technologies, and she said I could do it and further and to go in the medical field, like to be a medical doctor, if not go Cuba, blah blah blah. So I said, alright, I'm going to try it out, and bam. Reach out and see you and start it, and I end up get to like it, and that's alright now.
With me. And if I love Zolo channel, look at that. So nobody now asked me the question.
You can't answer the
Yeah, Shade, how did you become a medical technologist?
Tongues. So, cheers to that. So actually in high school, I always knew that I wanted to do science. I did not want to do business. No, I was in hospital for a part of my life. So do that video, hold on. And I fell in love with my orthopedic surgeon. But I tell that story already. I wanted to be an orthopedic surgeon. Then I wanted to become a radiologist. And then time I crunched down now. I'm like, what do I really want to be? I mean, school I finished, what you want to be? Then my godmom, who is a nurse from Cornwall Regional Hospital at the time, she was the one who suggested to me about medical technologies. Because I know that I didn't want to deal with the patient directly, but I wanted to impact their life. So I am working behind the scenes proudly, saving lives every day I go to work.
Through a friend.
Yeah, and that was the part about it that I like about the field. I like helping people and saving lives, but I'm not the type of person who want to be out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. So I can do what I love behind the scene.
Hello?
Hey, is this a medical technologist?
Yeah, how are you?
We're alright, we're alright. I heard that you should have been a part of our dining table,
Yes,
but you are MIA.
yes, because of reasons beyond my control.
That's right. So we're calling to find out, how did you heard about our profession as medical technologists?
Well, for me, when I was in fifth form, a friend of mine, it was my best friend, she got the booklet from UTech and she showed me the program that she applied to it for, because I applied to UE as well for another program, but we wanted to cover all bases just in case one doesn't work out. And she showed me that she applied for medical technology. I'm like, what's that? And then when I read it, I started to include research and you know, microbiology.
So you got excited.
So yeah, man, it looks nice. They have different things can come and now just stuck in a one monotonous
Yeah.
of my life.
Yeah.
Right there and then I decided to apply. Just like that.
Okay. See that? So basically, it's either you heard about the profession from a booth at your high school, or is a friend tell you about it. Alright, so tell bye Lab Squad.
Bye, Love Squad.
Alright guys, that was Natanja. She's no stranger to the channel, but unfortunately she couldn't be here with us today, but she still wanted, you know, to chip in and let you guys know how she heard about our profession. Moving on. How did you choose which university you wanted to go? Currently, the program Medical Technology is offered in 2 universities that are accredited in Jamaica. You have the Northern Caribbean University and you have the University of Technology Jamaica, UTech. Now, we have a mixed group right here. So I'm just going to go around the table and you guys can say how you choose which university you wanted to attend. Who want to start?
Okay guys, so basically Mandeville was too close to home. I wanted to be out, like a bit further away from home, so that is why I chose to go to UTech instead of NCU.
Alright, for me, you know, I like dress up and go parties. I like dress up and go parties. We just know something that never.
No, I can't.
So,
Man, the banana party.
of course, them have school parties. Man never not have them things there. Man never kind of up on the boring side.
the
No
school pick
offense,
them
guys.
the school pick them keep them on party.
I'm not talking about that. Sorry.
She need big
So,
party.
UTech was definitely the place to be.
For the party.
Yes, for the party.
Tell God she made it and she graduated, guys.
On time too.
It was a success story, this one.
So, yes, that's my reason for UTech.
Guys, anyway, that's another point. Colette, oh yeah?
Alright, so I ended up at NCU.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I'm more the reserved, laid back person, and growing up in a Adventist home, so naturally I would want to go somewhere that can foster that. So yeah, I ended up at NCU.
We just did one in St. Catherine. I didn't want to go to Kingston because I know that I would end up like Chantel. So that's why I went to NCU in Mandeville, Manchester.
You're graduate with honors.
No! I mean like go party and then something. You know you have that 1 and 2 friend with dry out.
Yeah.
You know, meet nobody with
Never
dry.
want to be influence.
Yes. No,
They easily
peer
dry
pressure-
out then.
Peer pressure and them something there.
Peer pressure. Alright. Basically for me, I live in Kingston. UTech is like 20 minutes max away from me. I thought about going to NTU, but to be honest, because I want to keep it real, them here where we eat, we can't eat it down there. Can't eat chicken on the campus. True or false?
No, that's not true, but
True or false? Guys, you have either eat. So guys, that was one factor. Because back then I was a chicken girl. So that was a big red flag for me. And then the second was the price of tuition. Because I actually got accepted into NCU's program, and I got accepted into UTech's program after. So I was considering to go to NCU, but then one semester down there is basically a full year up in Kingston, and then mega said mega go bored and all of them something. I just stay close to home, guys. My mom was here, so my college life did nice. Mommy, big up yourself. Although she left me.
Soon after I started in my second year, but so basically I was still boarding in my home. So Uno probably left for run away from my parents, my mother ran away with me. So I'm same thing.
Next question. How was your college experience? Like a quick summary. Out of 10.
11.
And when she
was friends with me.
Rita, they graduated to know.
Yeah,
So I just want to make sure that when they graduate, guys, come let's say a party. When they do a party. Cause I even have a question like, did you guys get to have a social life while doing the program?
No, not me.
I didn't have a social life.
What's that again?
I didn't have a social life while doing medical
What is
technology.
social life?
I don't know what happened after me left and them come. But guys, the amount of work, amount of labs, like your friends going to party but you have a lab. First of all, I'm gonna show you how serious it is. They see if the school has strike, try to say you're lecturing in a class and wait for you. So everybody else out the door with placard, you still have class.
No, but you have to make, you know them cold mornings there at NCU and you have lab first thing in the morning. You better make sure say you get up out of your bed all when rain a fall and go get to your lab, cause you don't want to miss them lab there.
Even when school are done, we still have the exam.
No party you go the exam
In the
there.
morning then me have to wonder, why should I bathe, should I not, should I go to lab?
Should I bathe? Should I not? Should I go to lab? Yes. So that is the decision. Should I bathe? Should I not?
Yes.
Should I go to lab?
Why never go
When you look at the water.
So I never go on the second shift. I must have two set of lab, the morning lab and the afternoon
No, them
lab.
it already choose your shift already.
So you did have a social life while in the program. Come, I don't want the people them.
I
Why?
used to work, so aside
That's
from
a social life.
yes, that is my breakaway from.
I didn't really have any because I'm not the party type. So even if people have party, because I used to have a taxi driver, he used to keep party and so forth, invite me to stay in my yard. I prefer like stay in my bed.
You see, when it comes to medtech, time management is key. Okay? So once you can manage your time, you're good. With medtech, it's a load of work. Trust me, one bag of work. You'll be in class and you see business people out there. I behave with them bag of antics. You can't do it, but you just have to manage your time. Set one time for say you have one social life and know when you have your work life. That's just all you need to do. You can party all you want, but just make sure
You find the balance.
Yes.
Cause all work and no play,
You know.
you know what I'm gonna say, I got burnout. So basically that's just what I want to bring across, that you can have a social life during the medical technology program if you want to. It might not be easy, you probably have some little more sleepless nights than others. I got class a book, you know, but it is possible. Oh damn, I know. Must. Alright, next question. How did you like the fact that before you graduate, you get an internship?